This lesson we'll be looking at logarithm of numbers greater than 1. And this is a continuation of our WAEC revision. I'm using the Visual Mathematics SS3, the revision part of it. There's a section that is dedicated to revision in that textbook. That is exactly what I'm using. The revision are arranged according to the current WAEC syllabus. So I'll be taking questions from there. And the first question here says, evaluate 82.47 times 24.85 over 209.3. To solve problems on logarithm, we'll do that in a tabular form. We'll arrange our table in this form. Number on one side, logarithm of this number on the other side. I have the first number is 82.47. The other one is 24.85. The characteristics of this number is 1, that is, we count the number of digits before the decimal point. The number of digits here is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. The same thing, we have 2 digits here before the decimal point, 2 minus 1 is 1. I will do for logarithm of 82 under 4, difference of 7. Logarithm of 82 under 4, here is 82, so we trace it to 4, is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 91, 59, 91, 59, and difference of 7, trace 82 to 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Difference of 7 is 4. Add the 4 to the logarithm. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 91, 63. 163. So the second one, we'll look for logarithm of 24 under 8, difference of 5. 24 under 8, difference of 5. Here is 24, trace it to 8. 39, 45. 39, 45. Difference of what was it? 5. Difference of 5. That's 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. I get that correctly. 24 under 8, difference of 5. With 24 under 8. Under 8. Yes, 39, 45. Then difference of 5. Difference of 5 is 9, okay? 5 plus 9 is 14. Right, 4 carry 1. 1 plus this is 5. 9. 39, 54. 39, 54. And when multiplying two numbers, we add their logarithm. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. Right, 1 carry 1. 1 plus this is 2. 2 plus this is 11 again. Carry 1. 1 plus this 10 plus this 13. Carry 1. 1 plus this. 2 plus this 3. So the logarithm of the first number, the numerator is 3.3117. We call the numerator. I'll work on the denominator now, which is 209.3. In this case, the characteristics is 2 because we have 3 digits before the decimal point. 3 minus 1 is 2. The logarithm of 20 under 9, difference of 3. 20 under 9, difference of 3 is it? 20 under 9, 3201. Difference of 3. Difference of 3 is 6. L is 7 there. 3207. 3207. Now, when dividing numbers, we subtract their logarithm. So the numerator is dividing the denominator. So we are going to subtract the logarithm of the denominator from the logarithm of the numerator. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. We borrow to this, that is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. This remains 2. Borrow to that is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. This remains 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So now we look for antilog of 99 under 1. 99 under 1. Here is table of antilog. 99 under 1 is 97, 95. 97, 95, 95. So we are going to add 1 to this. Remember, when we're looking for the logarithm, we subtract 1. So we look for the antilog, we add 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then we count our decimal point from the left-hand side. So here, since I have 1 here, I will count only 1 position. So that my answer is 9.795. For 4, we have to evaluate 31.95 to the power of 3. So as usual, we arrange our work in a tabular form. 31.95. The characteristic here is 1. 2 digits before the decimal point. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now logarithm of 31 under 9, difference of 5. 31 under 9 is 5038. 5038. Then difference of 5. Difference of 5 is 7. Add the 7 there. That is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus this is 4. So we have 5045. 5045. Because of this to the power of 3, we are going to multiply this logarithm by 3. So times 3 right here. 3 times 5 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 5, 3, carry 1. 3 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And 3 times 5, 15 again. Write 5, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. So 31 rather, 0.95 to the power of 3 is this. Now looking for antilog of 51 under 3, difference of 5. 51 under 3, difference of 5. Here is our antilog table. We have to look for 51 under 3, difference of 5. 51 is right here under 3, right? Under 3, difference of 5. 51 under 3 is 3184. No, that's not this 51. 31, 3258, right? 3258. 3258. That is 51 under 3. Then difference of 5. Difference of 5 is 4. And the 4 there. 8 plus 4 is 12. Right, to carry 1. 1 plus this is 6. So 3262. Antilog is 3262. Now we're going to add 1 to this. So that will shift the decimal point according. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we start from the left hand side and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we add 0 so that we can get to 5. So here is our answer to that question. Finally, we have the cube root of 4087 over 59.34. The number log. The first number there is 4087. The characteristics will be 3. That is, we have 4 digits there, or 4 number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then for the denominator, I have 59.34. Here the characteristics is 1 because I have 2 digits before the decimal point. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we look for logarithm of 40 under 8, difference of 7. 40 under 8, difference of 7. Let's shift the logarithm table down so we have access to it. 40 under 8, difference of 7. Here is 40, trace it to 8. 8 is right here, that is 6107. 6107. Then difference of 7, trace it to difference of 7 is 8. Add that 8 here. That is 15. 1 plus this. Then 1. So 6. 115. For the next number 59 under 3, difference of 4. 59 under 3. 59 under 3 is right here. 77, 31. 77, 31. Then difference of 4. Difference of 4 is 3. Plus 3, have 4. 3, 7, 7. 7, 7, 3, 4. Now, the question, you have 4087 divided by 59.34. So because we are dividing this number, we subtract their logarithm. 5 minus 4 is 1. We borrow 1 to this, that is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. And this one remains 0. Borrow 1 to that, that is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. This one remains 5. Borrow 1 to that, that is 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. This remains 2 because we borrow from it. 2 minus 1 is 1. And because of this cube root here, we are going to divide this logarithm by 3. So divided by 3. And we clean this 3. Divide by 3. So that the cube root of, let me write the number 4087 all over 59.34, the cube root of it. Now we divide this. 1 divided by 3 is 0. Take the 1 to this 3, that is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 8 divided by 3 is 2. Remember 2. Put the 2 there, that is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So we have to look for antilog of 61 under 2, difference of 7. This is covering the antilog table also. 61 under 2, that is 4093. 4093. The difference of 7, 61 under 2, 4093. Difference of 7. Difference of 7 is 6. Add the 6 there, that is 9. 9040. So I have 4099. Add 1 there. That is 0 plus 1, which is 1. That means our decimal point is going to be in this place. So the cube root of 4087 divided by 59.34 is 4.099. So that is that. That brings us to the end of this lesson.